Hi everyone, I'm Bernard from Rezt+Relax Interior. Today I'd like to share with you one of my projects at Kismis residence. Shall we? Basically for this place, we have chosen a concept that we like, modern luxury. So we have opted for this look that we have from this big designer, Kelly Hoppen. So for this area here, we would like to actually give more texture, and we didn't like so much of all these white doors, so we're going to change. So this area here, we're going to have more timber strip that's going to pop out, so you actually give texture, follow with stone wall. So this is the basement area where it's most suitable of all to have entertainment. So this area here, we can actually have a large sitting area, and we're going to have our TV at this area with nice sound system. This is the second level where I feel that this area can be a very nice, cozy family area. A place where I think we can have some quiet reading time. So this area here, we're going to do some nice bookshelf with nice throw light. This room is the master bedroom. So this area here is quite spacious, but in order not to take the space down, we are going to have some storage over there where she can have the bags, and this area is with a king size bed with the TV at the front. Well, this area is the main attic, so we are going to design it as a main working station with a proper study that the owner can even use it together with the children. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my design. Once a customer, always a customer.